And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:43. This morning we've been tracking some patchy fog, and now we're starting to see it thicken up a little bit more, and it's basically over the northern half of Hidalgo County, where you could see visibilities down to about a mile at times, but the rest of the valley is about 4 to 7 miles visibility, and Brownsville relatively clear. As the morning goes on, we could see a little bit more fog development, but it doesn't look like we're going to see a whole bunch of widespread, really dense fog at this point in time. Temperatures 68 degrees in Roma to 72 in Run. It's 71. Good morning to you in San Perlita, and 73 in Bixby. So yeah, pretty mild or warm start across the valley, but let's zoom out and get a better look at Texas. And you'll notice to our north in San Antonio, it's 66. And then you see this dividing line between the green and the blue there. It's 46 in Abilene and 27 up in the Panhandle this morning. That's because we do have a cold front headed to the valley. It's going to arrive later on this morning, but I don't think we're going to get a blast of cold air sending us into the 20s by any means. If anything, we're going to get a slight dip in temperatures and maybe a few rain showers. A lot of the heavier rain is staying well to the north and east of us, headed over the heartland this morning, or the central United States. And then here we go. We're continuing to pump in all of that lower level moisture, so we will get some fog development. I think this particular model is kind of tuning into all that moisture, and it is picking up maybe a few showers at the island, but I don't think that is going to be the case. I think that's just maybe a little bit of mist from the fog. Later this morning is when the cold front will knock on our door. It'll bring some isolated showers to the valley, but we're talking about a 20% chance for rain, and that's mainly over Hidalgo, Willacy, and Cameron County. Starr County, if you're lucky, you'll get a shower over the easternmost portion of your area, but other than that, it doesn't look like a whole bunch of widespread rain. We'll keep your rain chances at 20% today, mainly dry by tomorrow. By Friday, we bring back maybe an isolated shower or two. Things change as we head into the weekend, and it has to do with an upper level disturbance. So let's look at future tracks zoomed out across Texas. Starting at midnight on Saturday, you'll notice that the moisture really pumps into the valley, and by 6 o'clock in the evening, it looks like we could have a better chance to see periods of rain starting mainly in the second half of the day on Saturday. Can't rule out maybe some light rain showers in the first half of the day, but it looks like the second half going into early morning Sunday will be the best chance for rain in the valley. Now, this upper level disturbance will move to the north and east. As it does, it'll take a lot of the moisture with it, and we're back to warm conditions with maybe just a stray shower or two left over in the forecast. At the coast, there will be a small craft advisory go into effect at 6 o'clock tonight through 6 tomorrow night for both the Bay and the Gulf waters. Until then, we will see a moderate chop on the Bay with seas between about 3 and 5 feet. Fishermen, high tide is at 4:48 this afternoon. The winds will pick up behind this front late today out of the north at 9 to 18 miles per hour, and they're going to remain elevated overnight. High temperatures will be right around 86, and we will see a little bit of sunshine here and there throughout the day. 57 will be your overnight low, so you will need a jacket at the bus stop early tomorrow morning. And then here we go. We're warming up to 70 degrees, so really not that warm. We'll still have the wind out of the north. It won't be as humid, so 70 will feel rather cold all the way through the end of the work week. Now, as we head into the weekend, that's that better chance for rain, keeping the cloudy skies around, temperatures right around 75. We start to clear it out on Sunday, 81, and then we're back to the mid-80s Monday and Tuesday with only a slight chance for rain. Your overnight lows eventually will get a little bit warmer, from the mid-50s up to the low 60s by Friday night, and then we're back to the upper 60s starting Monday night. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.